Oh, Daddy said throwing. Mother, di mo kinuhanan si Julie? Bigyan mo na, wag mo sabihin, bigyan mo na. Bigyan mo na ng kasya na. Do you want kasya na? Oo. Nya? Huwag mo nang sabihin. Pero di ba si Julien din nauutusan din, di ba? Yeah. Julien, because just when grandma asks you to do it, you do it. Remember you get your laundry earlier. It's okay, it's fine. Dani, iyak na siya. It's okay, Julien. You got your Roblox. It's okay. Better than nothing. I don't have Roblox